Welcome YouTubers, this is my video on how to network 2 Humminbird units. So this is a Helix 7, this is a Helix 9. This one has side imaging, this one just has a regular transducer. Go to your menu, hit it twice, go to the right till you see network, and then you can do network setup. So you can pick what you want. When there's a cable in the back, there's 2 dongles and a network cable. So they're tied together. I'll put those in the link or in the description below. So this one's on the Helix 9, mega side imaging GPS. Generation 3, and the other transducer is just a regular Helix 7. So the down imaging is on the 9, side imaging 9, temps on the 9, temp 2, probably put it on the other one, GPS is the 9. So as you can see, you can share waypoints. This is the unit's name. You can change that if you like. Same thing goes for this one. You go to menu, hit it twice, go to the far right, you can change its name, pick the source of the transducer. So this one's using the 9 for down imaging, side imaging 9. This one did not have side imaging and now it does, so that's kind of cool. Temp is coming off the 7, so I have 2 different temperature sources, and this one's using GPS off this one as well. Share waypoints is on here as too. So that's basically how it works. Here's the cables. This big one with the chrome ends is the network cable, and then there's a little dongle coming off each one to the back of the units. I don't know if you can see it on here, but anyways, that's how that works. These 2 units did fight quite a bit, so I had to separate their power source. This one's running off a battery right here, and this one's running off the main power switch, power panel, circuit panel. So that's all that works. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. A bit of a headache to get these working because I thought the power source wasn't the problem. I thought it was the networking, but once I removed the power source as an issue, it went pretty smoothly. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.